Right, so first person you're going to meet is my Nana. So that's my Nana. And yeah, so obviously he speaks Creole, so I'm going to do some translating as well, and basically he's going to let me know about his life and his story. Moi, ce qui disait, c'est là pour raconter l'anglais. So he was born in l'Escalier, which is in the south of Mauritius. The 22nd of June 1941, so he's getting on quite old now. Yeah, so what did you faire pour travail?
Cordonnerie, shoemaker.
Ah, okay, so he was a shoemaker. That's what his profession was in Mauritius. And you have now lived here. Combien de temps tu restes ici?
Ici, l'année 78.
So 1978, they came. Oh, okay, so it's like an old, almost abandoned kind of house, and yeah. So what? Then he moved to England. In 2006, he moved to England. So he's saying that basically he loves England, but his wife loves Mauritius, so he's a bit stuck. That's it. Combien de tu donnes? So he had 6 children in total. 5 boys, 1 daughter. Obviously, they are.
Great granddaughter.
So now he has 2 granddaughters as well now, thankfully. And yeah, so he has his kids, which are Mamu Taslim, who you'll meet, Mamu Feroz, who's in the UK, Mamu Iqbal, who's in France, then Sheikh Mood in England, my mum in Bibi in England as well, and then Mamu Shahzad, who is now back in Mauritius. Yeah, so that's my Nana, and that's a little bit of his life story, and I'll go on to the next family. Peace.